Hello. We're in the fish market. They're catching fish in the morning and they're selling here. It is a little bit stinking. They sell their fish in the market over there. As you're gonna see over there. I see many ships. They're sailing away, and people working very hard here. It's a little bit stinking, and many mosquitoes here, but still very nice. Hello, say hello, how are you? We have card, thank you. This is Dutch Canal, or also this canal known as Hamilton Canal. It was called Dutch Canal, however it is actually constructed by British in 1802 and completed in 1804. The Portuguese are the first to capture Negombo. They built the fort to defend Colombo, which was later captured by the Dutch. In 1796, the fort came under the control of British. Later in 1800, the British decided to demolish the building and build a prison. This is actually used as a prison at the moment, and there are many fishermen around here. Negombo is not a big place to see much, however. It is an amazing place. We've been told that there is nothing to see in Negombo, just the airport. So we were supposed to only stay here to pass over the other areas. However, because of my curiosity, we decided to take more time here, which we don't regret. This place is not maintained very well. You can see a clock tower, a church, prison, and fishermen. It will take you 5-10 minutes to take some pictures, and it's not a crowded place. This is a prison, but I'm not sure I am allowed to go inside there, so I stay a bit far away. And there is also a very nice church here. Unfortunately it's closed, so I'm not able to show you inside it, so we can have a look from the outside. We are at the Negombo beach. Actually, surprisingly very beautiful beaches. This is I really liked, and maybe because of today's weather condition, the sea looks very calm, and here looks okay. Hey,
You can relax.